Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create statistics on the Maps.me application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the More button at the upper right corner of the home screen. Click to the settings at the middle of the screen, and then you go to the report section. You can find the send statistics. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to see different statistics, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.